Hello! I've got another Paula wig unboxing and quick little review. This is Juliette. I've been eyeing her for a while. So, in color SF1026, which I believe is the buttered toast. So, oh my goodness, I'm so excited! Alright. So, oh, my kitty cat's gonna help me. Alright, let's get the netting off. Okay, go. Sorry about that. Okay. So, here we go. Oh, so pretty. I love the little bit longer. Oh, okay. I gotta try her on. I got to. Alright. I'll show you the cap real quick. Regular cap. Regular neck. Nape, whatever. Whichever. Okay. Let's try her on. Okay. And if this isn't me, I don't know what is. Oh my goodness. Brush it out a little bit. There we go. Okay. So, oh, I love this one. Oh, I'm gonna start singing. I could see me wearing this one pretty much every day. Although I have others that I love, so oh, I might have to wear 2 or 3 in a day just to get them all in. But I'll pull out some of my little baby hairs here. Make sure we're seated at the top. There we go. Ah, I love it. I love it. Okay, I'll turn so y'all can see. We'll see how the back looks. Oh. I need to fix my hair a little bit better. Underneath this, I see it poking out some. Oh goodness. But overall, I love her. So this is Juliette, like I said, in buttered toast. I believe that's what I got. SF1026. I'll make sure and verify, put it in the comments. So, oh yeah. Alright. Y'all, let me know what you think. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay in touch. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.